Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Profit Chapter. So in this lecture we will create one basic GUI application where we will display the average movement of stocks for past 1 month. So for this we are using tkinter library for GUI application and Zerodha API for the accessing of stock values. So here for the GUI application we need to create a root first, and after that we can set some title. And to create a buttons in our GUI, we have this GUI method, and inside that we can pass root, we can add text, we can set the dimension with parameter pdx and pdy. We can add one method here, like whatever it can do on clicking a button. So for that we have to create a method, and we can also add some color. So inside this method we are fetching the price of stock and just setting the stock price in a label. It will create one space in the GUI. This price will be displayed, and it should be of string type. And this method we are fetching the stock data from this get history method, and we are using this get history from this NSC Pi library, and we are just adding all the stock values for this period and dividing with the time frame. For now it is 1 month, so it would be around 10 days in this GUI. So after getting this price, it will be displayed in a label. And to create space of button we are using grid method, and this method will be in the 0th row and 0th column. Similarly, HDFC will be in the first row and 0th column. Remaining would be like this only. So let me run the code. So this is the basic GUI that is created, and it can be extended like this. So let us find the average amount of stock for HDFC Bank. So it is 26. For Bajaj Finserv it is 216. Similarly, we can click and check of TCS. It is 53. So this average movement is very critical in creating the strategies related to price action. So this was the motive to cover this topic and have some GUI application accordingly. So thank you guys, and if you like this video please like and subscribe. Thank you.